Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove color of last page in Microsoft Publisher. So get restarted. At first open your Publisher document. In this video now you can see remove color for last page. Now going to the page color. Now select from last page option. Now going to the page design menu option. Now select from background option. Now select from more background. Now click for no fill option. Now click for OK. That it's. Now you can see then it show the on page and two page and third page the at color page, then remove from the last page in Microsoft Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.